God that flowed from the living star. Be the ransom for my sin, you serve. Let the water and the blood that flowed from the living side. Be the ransom. One more time. See, I'll take it again. See, rock of ages left for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the light that flowed from the living star, that flowed from the living star, be the ransom for my sins. One more time, I'ma hide myself in thee. The water, the blood, the blood that flowed from the living star. My chains are broken, I am free. Christ has set me free. My chains are broken, I am free. Christ has set me free. My chains are broken, oh, so beloved I am free. Christ has set me free. I know it. My chains are broken, I am free. Now we are always singing those that you sing. My chains are broken. My chains are broken, oh, I am free. Christ has set me free. One more time. My chains are broken. My chains are broken, oh, I am free. Christ has set me free. Anything I ask you, say Jesus. You ready? Who's the King of Glory? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Who's the King of Glory? The lily of the valley, the bright and morning star, the Lion of the tribe of Judah, the beautiful one, the beautiful healer, the loving God, the sweetheart, the darling of my heart, the darling of my soul, the sweetness of my life. Say Jesus. Everybody want to say, say Jesus. Say I don't feel comfortable in this corporate anymore. I think I'll just... Are we ready? The next piece. Numeshte Yahweh. On my tour pieza. Numeshte Yahweh. Yahweh vina de la liba rei. She, you know, let it do mezeo. And black pieza asta foarte mult. Pentru că spune că Yahweh este regele. Și El este Domnul meu. Amin. Putem să facem asta împreună? Putem să facem împreună? Mulțumesc frumos! Alright, next song. Ready, guys? Well, sorry. I apologize, I broke you. It's just for your own good. You see these guys? They are ready to dance this next piece. So prepare yourself, just in case you are not ready. Are you guys ready? Let's smash it, guys. Let's go.
You are
See you next time.